Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to a grocery list on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add items to a list on the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on an item which you want to go ahead and add to your list. So here we're going to click on this salad bag. Now go ahead and click on the heart icon on the right hand side. And this is just one way to do it, but you can see that it's now been saved to our favorites or our list. And so with that, we can also click on add to list on the bottom left hand corner. And then this is where we can create a new list, such as a grocery list. So if we enter our list name here, we can type in grocery, then click on create. And so now this has been saved to our grocery list. Now, if you click on the bottom right hand corner and click on account, and then scroll down, you're going to find lists. Click on lists, and then here you can see all the lists that you've currently created. So we have a grocery favorites, a grocery, and a favorites list. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items to a grocery list on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.